Welcome you student. Today we shall continue our class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 pairs of linear equation. This is type 4 problem which is money based problems of pairs of linear equation. So let's start our class. This is type 4 problem money based. What types of the monies are involved in this question? Let's see. Question is said a library which has fixed charge for first 3 days. There is certain charge which are fixed for first 3 days. After 3 days, they charge an additional charge. After 3 days over, from fourth day, they charge some additional charges for each day. Clear? And there are two persons. First person is Sarita and second person is Sushi. Sarita paid 27 rupees book for 7 days. She paid 27 rupees and she kept a book for 7 days. And another person, Sushi, she paid 21 rupees and she kept a book for 5 days. We have to find the fixed charge and extra charge or additional charge. See how we solve this one. First, we have assumed let the fixed charge for the first 3 days be X rupees. Clear? X rupees. Clear? And let the additional charge for each day be Y. First, what we do, we have to assume fixed charge for first 3 days will be X and additional charge will be Y. Now, according to questions, in first case, Sarita paid 27 rupees. First you write down here, Sarita paid 27 rupees for 7 days. Clear? For 7 days, Sarita paid 27 rupees. The fixed charge will be X. In 7 days, the 3 days charge will be X and remaining 4 days. Remaining 4 days, how we calculate? They keep book for 7 days and their fixed charge will be subtracted here, because suppose they keep book for 7 days and first 3 days are free, then how many extra days are? 4 days. We have to calculate, these are the X is our first 3 days and this 5 will be our extra days. Extra days we calculate 7 minus 3 because 3 days are free into Y is equals to, she paid for 27 rupees. Therefore our equation becomes what? X plus 4Y equals to 27. This is equation first. I hope this is clear. Now in case 2, same as Sushi is paid for 21 rupees. First you write here, Sushi is paid for rupees 21 for how many days? For 5 days. In similar way you have to calculate, the fixed charge will be X for 3 days and remaining in 5 days, 3 days are free and next 2 days are charges, extra charges. What we write here? 5 minus 3, Y is equals to 21 and X plus 2Y equals to 21. This is our equation 2, and as we know that how we solve the equation, after solving equation you get value of X is whatever the rupees are there, we have to calculate it here, and same as value of Y. X will be as your fixed charge and Y will be your extra charge. I hope this one is clear to you. Question is, Meena went to a bank. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Clear? C asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. See how question is said. Meena is a person. She went to a bank and she withdrew 2000 rupees. Clear? And she asked the cashier to give this 2000 rupees in the form of 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. She asked the cashier to give 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note. We have to calculate how many numbers of 50 rupees notes are there and how many 100 rupees notes are there. We have to calculate this. Clear? Now we have two variables. These are number of 50 rupees notes is one variable. Number of 100 rupees notes is a second variable. Let's start. Assume let the number of 50 rupees note be X. Same as let the number of 100 rupees notes be Y. I hope this one is clear. Now, according to questions. Question said she get 25 notes. Meena got 25 notes. 25 notes means X plus Y. X is our 50 rupees, number of 50 rupees notes, and Y is number of 100 rupees notes. She got 25 notes. 25 notes in which form? 50 rupees and 100 rupees. I hope this one is clear. Now again question is said she got 2000 rupees in the forms of 50 rupees note. So one number of note be X. So she got 50 X notes plus number of 100 rupees note be Y. She got 100 Y notes is equals to total rupees is 2000. This is equation 2. Clear? Now solve the questions. How we solve the equation? In equation first multiplied by 50. In equation second multiplied by 1. After multiplying equation first, it becomes what? 50x plus 50y is equals to 1250. Same as our second equation is 50x plus 100y is equals to 2000 rupees. Now apply the elimination. Sign will be changed. This will be cancel out up to minus 50y, and this is our minus 750. Minus minus cancel out. This y to 750 cuts up to 15 times. Now put the value of y in in equation first. Our equation first is what? X plus y is 25. Right here, x plus y equals to 25. Value of y will be 15. Substitute here. X plus 15 equals to 25. Therefore, value of x will be what? 15 minus 25. That is 10. It means number of 50 rupees note will be 10. Number of 100 rupees will be 15. I hope this one is clear to you.